Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Vybz Kartel. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. It's a 2023 track called 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Vybz Kartel have a next track where 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, I believe that dropped in 2005 by Green Sleeve, pretty sure. Well, see it, hear it.
I say no Dan, number one. Yo, Coco.
This was one of my favorites.
It's all about a nigga jive. Girls stand up in a sun, them foot start bun them. See a walk foot man a come them run them. If you a walk or sit down in a bus back, don't look a girl when you see at the bus stop. Hey, car man in a them gal thoughts. So them change man like auto parts. No vehicle, no romance. This taxi driver stand a better chance. Car man in a them gal thoughts. So them change man like auto parts. No vehicle, no romance. This chichi driver stand a better chance.
Yo, so that was one of the bangers from 𝐷𝐄𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Teach. That's the Black Kartel. So if you know that song there, I know, maybe not too young for know that song there, but that was one of that's the original 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎���. So he is here again with 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈����𝐍 again. This is the first time I see one artist have two different songs, two different era with the same title. If I'm wrong, put in the comment section, but I don't see no other artists do that. So we're here with 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. It is an animated lyric video. So let's go.
From the window them tint up and the AC a blow like up a North Pole not the pro box. She make a saladar like 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Sharp and sports max school and a Fort Knox.
Road. From the window them tint up. It no matter what kind of car you drive. Once a cars. Yes, where the man go first? Pro box. Pro box him going now. So you don't know. So you have to bingo.
From the window them tint up and the AC a blow like up a North Pole not the pro box.
DJ Chrome, big up.
She make a saladar like 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐿 Sharp and sports max school and a Fort Knox.
Salad.
Y'all love car man. Bitch walk foot. Nah man, yeah mad.
Let me just say, I drive a BMW in a real life, so if I'm gonna list out the car them, it would be nice to hear what him say about BMW. Let's go.
Car man. Yeah. I no lie, I know nothing normal. Y'all love car man. Bitch walk foot. Nah man, yeah mad.
Hey, yeah, them love car man. What kind of walk foot you at? No, you know, on that brother. Car man, brother. You know, that's a thing there. Yeah. You see it? So, a car man them love, so let's go.
Car man. I no lie, I know nothing normal. Temperature iota, roll up in the Toyota Crown. Be a pretty girl come around like wow.
Temperature high out at the time hot. So guess what? When you roll up in a Toyota Crown, AC fully functioning. Girl just dropping her knees like Japanese.
Car man. I no lie, I know nothing normal. Temperature iota, roll up in the Toyota Crown. Be a pretty girl come around like wow. GLE makes you want get down. Country Portmore downtown uptown.
GLE. The Mercedes, the GLE. What did GLE do to her?
Iota, roll up in the Toyota Crown. Be a pretty girl come around like wow.
Yeah.
GLE makes you want get down. Country Portmore downtown uptown.
Yeah.
Pull up in the new Tesla. Your belly could have big like a sumo wrestler.
Once you put up that Elon Musk, the Tesla, the electric, the silent killer. With a big iPad inside. Your belly could have big like who?
Pull up in the new Tesla. Your belly could have big like a sumo wrestler. Girl a brad out and say come feed a bless ya. If you drive Range Rover, she coming over.
Yikes! If you drive the Range Rover, I like the Range Rover Evoque. That was going to be my next car. But my friend said to me, say, yo, don't buy it, you know, rate it because it always have problem. Because him have one and them say, I'll be a problem it have. So him said, don't buy it. So I'm still searching for my next car. So let's go.
Pull up in the new Tesla. Your belly could have big like a sumo wrestler. Girl a brad out and say, come feed a bless ya. If you drive Range Rover, she coming over. Mark X, make she want sex. You not answer your phone, now she start text.
Mark X, I get the girl them obsessed. She call you and you not answer your phone. Guess what she gonna do? Start text. Cause you probably have a next girl in the Mark X. That's why the boss say.
Mark X, make she want sex. You not answer your phone and she start text. X3, all when you're ugly. To she, you look sexy.
X3. I had a X3. No, I have a 3 series. So the X3, when you're ugly. Just think you're sexy. Yes, you know why? Because of the X3. The BMW X3.
Now she start text. X3, all when you're ugly. To she, you look sexy. Yeah, look.
Watch a blood laugh, you sir.
X3, all when you're ugly.
No, sir. This a thing there from Boys in the Hood. When name Marlon Wayans is the actor. But yeah. You say, yo, give me a number. That's the guy right there. That's the guy.
To she, you look sexy. Yeah, look. Carman.
Yeah.
Bitch, walk foot. Nah, man, yeah, man. Carman.
Yeah.
I don't lie, I know nothing normal.
No.
Girl love Carman.
Yeah.
Bitch, walk foot. Nah, man, yeah, man.
So which car him not go get? Him not go RD, him not go X5, him not go X6, him not go 5 series. Him not go which car? A few car him not go. Let's hear what the second verse of it though.
Carman. I know lie, I know nothing normal. 4 series, more creases. Better book 2 room, 4 seasons.
4 series, more creases. You better book 4 room, 4. Yo, that is swag. Rude.
4 series, more creases. Better book 2 room, 4 seasons.
Yeah.
A year Benz bet say you're full of girlfriends. Traffic gal like jokes by your end. Porsche, them man they a giant. Pick up Kim and Kayan in the Cayenne.
Buckler Porsche. Them man they a giant. Pick up Kim and Kayan in the Cayenne, the Porsche Cayenne. Lord. Him not go under yet neither. I'm just here under on the screen.
Porsche, them man they a giant. Pick up Kim and Kayan in the Cayenne. That under they tough like iron. You get more pussy than scam and get client.
Yo, the under there. Big up the under drivers there, you know. Big up on yourself, you know. Under them ever clean out the road.
That under they tough like iron. You get more pussy than scam and get client. Prado, I didn't let you go. Under, see the brown in a come there.
Under, see the brown in a come there. Prado, in the show go. Yeah. For the big leather seat them.
Prado, I didn't let you go. Under, see the brown in a come there. If you don't have a car, just have ambition. You'll get there one day.
If you don't have a car, just have ambition. Work hard to where you want. Chase your dreams. You will get your car, bro.
If you don't have a car, just have ambition. You will get there one day. Girl love Carman. Which walk foot? Nah, man, yeah, man. Carman. I know lie, I know nothing normal. Girl love Carman. Which walk foot? Nah, man, yeah, man. Carman. I know lie, I know nothing normal.
Yo, big up Addy. You know Addy a genius already. It's good to get a lyric animation video, cause I think the reason why Kartel song them not doing as good as they should or they normally do, because his presence is not here. His voice is here, but his presence is. So the more the producer them put in the work and get song from Addy, I think they should follow this trend of putting in the animated lyric video at least. You know, it give you a sense. It give you a sense of your Kartel in the video actually. You see me? So even though it's not, but it give it a sense there. So big up the production team behind the Chrome. Big up yourself. Carman, I was quite disappointed that he didn't mention a few cars. He never mentioned Audi. He mentioned 4 Series. He mentioned X3, which is BMW. He never mentioned the Audi them. You see me? He mentioned the GLE. Yeah. He never mentioned the CLA. But obviously, it would have been a longer, like a 10-minute song for mention. All of the car them, you know. So yeah. Carman, bad. But we need more animated video from Kartel. You see me? Kartel done do him for the already, no brother. Kartel done a legend already, living legend in him own right. So you don't know. Kartel can just easy and underscore and live off him royalties, but you don't know, so them man not believe in that. You see me? But yeah, this bad. The beat sick as well. The Chrome. The beat sick, you see me? Yeah, the rhythm of bongs. You see me? Carman. So we see Kartel with the Carman from 2005, and now we see Kartel with the Carman again, 2023. So big up Adi the teacher, big up yourself, G. You don't know Chrome, big up yourself again, and this is how I'm gonna leave down. Big up all the Gaza fans. This is how I'm gonna leave down. If you enjoy the one I want to see more, leave a like on the video, subscribe around here if you are new and you want to keep up with what I'm doing. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.